Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is giving you another reaction move. Today, guys, today we're with Likkle Addict. No, Likkle Vybz. Yeah, Likkle Vybz and Vybz Kartel. Yes. With my brother. Big up the Palmer family. Big up the Gaza people and big up on yourself. All right. Happy New Year as well. For everybody who crossed the line, big up on yourself. Everybody who watch a video, big up on yourself. Jump in the one and see what I go on with Likkle Vybz. Let's go. This sounds so low, what gone? This sounds so low. Hold on, this sounds so. Let me try to play a different song and see if it sounds no same here. So, the person that will upload the song make it sound a bit low, because it's not my system, alright? Video clean though. Please do remember the audio track when we do react to for this, I go pin at the end of this. You see me? Alright, rush on them.
If you see me in a traffic, then you know I'm mine. Me no feel if you touch the pedal, then I show overdrive. We no follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio, that overnight. Big food drop, down in the stove light. Shout out like a addy that was so like.
Yeah, man. Man said shout out Likkle Addy we so alike. Yo, big up the 2G them dog.
Addy that was so like. I'm a brother that kill a pussy if you miss dog. I'm a brother that get the money split it in half.
I'm a brother that
also come with a bit rich fast. I'm a brother that could do bad mind rich part.
video clean your fuck. I'm a brother that
you win so me win dog. I'm a brother that every day so we live dog. I'm a brother that
Kartel, where there?
I'm a son but we roll like I'm a brother that. Girl I lick my balls till it lighter than I fed them up.
Not clap. One thing though, why is it so fucking low, man? Why is it so low, man? Gaza people, happy New Year again. Let's go. Sweet.
Like me no know me on a vice. Bad bitch in the car, she have my on a bike. If you see me in a traffic, then you know I'm mine. Me no feel if you touch the pedal, then I show overdrive. We no follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio, that overnight. Big food drop, down in the stove light. Shout out like a addy that was so.
What one?
I'm a brother that kill a pussy if you miss dog.
I'm a brother that
get the money split it in half. I'm a brother that also come with a bit rich fast. I'm a brother that could do bad mind rich part. I'm a brother that bust down every wristwatch. I'm a brother that you win so me win dog. I'm a brother that every day so we live dog. I'm a brother that so we happy.
Kartel say
I'm a son but
roll like I'm a brother that.
Girl I lick my balls till it lighter than I fed them up. 250 pound my wrist and no begging so I'm a cheddar that. But we coulda never rat. Travel through the Tesseract. Victory every day my chain a shake to on my chest and I watch it.
Pussy clap.
That word I never lack. Now have my rotten teeth but every minute is
another plaque.
Gold this or silver this or hungry thing them sell.
Rock.
La Vega, big up shelter rack. No idlers no day, hustle never stop. Travel everywhere, me go all country when no make it. Bumbo all know a figure make another map. Me could grudge me brother dog, never that. Hustle for me cheddar any weather that. Can't pussy hole him drink the bad mind soup before him kill him brother. Him should have made and say
I'm a brother that.
Kill pussy if him miss dog. I'm a brother that.
But
the money split it in half. I'm a brother that. Hustle come with a bit rich fast. I'm a brother that could do bad.
yo, me like the color scheme I go on in the video also. Yes, the color scheme does match back. Everything does match out. Natural and yeah, beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm a brother that bust down every wristwatch.
I'm a brother that
you win so me win dog. I'm a brother
yeah, let's think you fuck.
so we live dog. I'm a brother that so we happy live large.
No, I never big up on myself. Yeah, man, rope with them, big up on myself. Yeah. For some reason though, it's very low. I don't know. It's not on my end. It's not on my system. But it's very low. I try my best to turn it up, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can edit it and turn it up. So if you hear it good, I become turn it up and edit it. Yeah. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I know say One Nation I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. Him a react, we a watch.